Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest automotive innovations. Today, we're exploring the exciting new versions of the Audi e-tron GT family. The new e-tron GT models bring enhanced range, performance, charging capabilities, and handling. Let's take a closer look at what makes these models stand out. First up, Audi has introduced its first fully electric RS performance model, the RS e-tron GT Performance. This model features unique design elements, including an optional matte carbon roof and exclusive carbon camouflage details. The RS e-tron GT Performance stands out with its aggressive front end, featuring a 3D honeycomb single-frame grille and aerodynamic diffuser. Inside, you'll find redesigned seats, a sporty steering wheel, and sustainable materials like Dynamica microfiber and Econil carpeting. Next, we have the Audi S e-tron GT. This model blends elegant sportiness with a striking front end and improved airflow around the wheels. The rear diffuser and body color inlays give it a sporty yet refined look. The S e-tron GT comes with new 20-inch multi-spoke wheels and optional 21-inch Avis-inspired wheels. Inside, you'll find sports seats with 14-way adjustments and the latest Audi virtual cockpit. Audi has significantly improved the charging capabilities of the e-tron GT family. With a maximum charging power of 320 kilowatts, you can charge from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes. In 10 minutes, you can add up to 280 kilometers of range. The new HV battery features a gross storage capacity of 105 kilowatt-hours and a net capacity of 97 kilowatt-hours, offering a range of up to 609 kilometers. Plus, the Audi virtual cockpit now provides detailed information on battery temperature and charging power. The e-tron GT family offers impressive driving dynamics with its electric all-wheel drive and newly developed air suspension. The RS models come with an optional active suspension system that enhances both comfort and performance. The S e-tron GT accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.4 seconds, while the RS e-tron GT Performance does it in just 2.5 seconds, making it Audi's most powerful production car to date. Inside, the new e-tron GT models feature sustainable materials and advanced digital features. The seats, steering wheel, and entry sills have all been redesigned, and the virtual cockpit now includes RS-specific displays. The new panoramic glass roof with smart glass technology can switch from transparent to opaque at the touch of a button, providing a unique driving experience. The new Audi e-tron GT family is available to order now, with prices starting at €126,000. Whether you're looking for elegant sportiness or unmatched performance, these models offer something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive innovations. See you next time.